7, talk too early. Oh, Indaba, talking my business is into. Nazo zonke indaba zabasha.
Right, sesiphakathi. Sikuyona isex indaba njalo ngeThursday between 7 and 8 you notice wesikhuluma indaba zabantu abadala. I'm telling you sisaqala nje ukuthi this show is not suitable for ingane. Sikwi sex indaba no doc. And lo hlelo ke uzokwazi ukulithola live mongasuye kwi app u selected that video option kwi app Gagas FM uzokwazi ukusithola live and then the podcast yakhona na ku YouTube futhi uzokwazi ukuthi ulithole. All right, dokotela.
Mthiyane.
Uyabaleka?
Ngiyakuphi?
Zothi uyaphi nje ngithi ngiyakufuna hayi khona.
I'm right here.
Uyashibilika nje.
Hamba angithinta in the right places. Ngikhona.
Ngithi ngiyakufuna ngikuthole.
Mina uhlaza endaweni ezwrong. Yes.
Yeah, so
you should be sensing me by now. Uzwe isteam ukuthi singakuphi. So uyazi ukuthi nami ngingakuphi.
Yeah. So the G stuff inokunyamalala sometime.
No, not if you know your thing.
But
Mthiyane.
Ngiyaphila kunjani?
Ngikhona kakhulu nezithandwa zethu ziyaphila.
I know zi right nje kahle kakhulu.
Khona ezo 3 engihlangane nazo izole Hillcrest ngase Botha's Hill. Zamemeza Dr. Mthembu, please usipulisele lapho kuMthiyane. So 3 girls, threesome, what or foursome? Kuthiwa yini mezu 3? Bebe 3.
Foursome ibize kanjalo ke.
Foursome.
If ikhona into enjalo.
Foursome.
Mhlawumbe soyibambile ukuthi njalo. Thank you for the support yalolu hlelo kodwa because njoba usho nje it happens all the time. One lady walked earlier on kwi session ebengikuyona earlier and then ngithi unombuzo yini for the show and we bekhuluma about the show and then uzothi no just to tell dokotela ukuthi nje hayi ngisuke nginani njalo ngeThursday and introduce abanye. So we welcome new people abasijoyina for the first time namhlanje. Yes, welcome. I heard you mention something about iThreesome dokotela because we always hear my story about ukuthi threesome awesome kangakanani uyezwa ke rhyme ukuthi iThreesome awesome and abanye bathi it can be your best sex ever kusho abantu, right?
Okay.
So it's only natural to wonder whether it's something umuntu ongayenjoya yini because mawuyicabanga komunye kungaba ukuthi I want to concentrate and who's doing who njalo njalo. Is it something you ever think about try who's fooling who? Remember that song where Al Hudson in one way. So yes, no, maybe have you tried it? Did it work or is it something you fantasize about? Remember scream about fetish. So askhuluma ngayo ke namhlanje the dynamics around it and look at the pros and cons. So iThreesome yona nto ke lesikhulumayo namhlanje with udokotela. Okay, okay. Yini threesome?
Well, igama lilodwa 3 meaning ukuthi into eyenziwa abantu abathathu.
Right.
Okay. Now esikhatheni esiningi iThreesome sikhuluma ngayo uma sikhuluma ngezocansi na ku relationship and isuke ihambisana nokuthi ukuthokozisana ngocansi kodwa kungaba abantu ababili kube abantu abathathu or more than abathathu.
Okay.
Now lokho kuthokozisana kungahamba ngokuvumelana kwenu. Kungaba ukuthi mhlamba ukuthokozisana oku-involve nezitho zenzocansi nyoma ukuthokozisana nje ongazi-involve lezo zitho zocansi kodwa ekugcineni kuba khona ukukhumula no penetrator khona ongena somewhere komunye umuntu but ekugcineni injongo yayo ukuthi ufezekisa ukuthi omunye achame nawe uchame ngaleyo ndlela.
Well, the general assumption threesome is 2 girls with a guy. It could be
2 guys and
a girl.
Yes.
Yeah. So now, ngifuna siyibheke the psychological part of it. For someone ukuthi crave or abe naleyo nto. Usekwenzakala nemqondweni yakho ekutheni I want abantu abayi2 ngesikhathi esodwa.
Look, Mthiyane, I think more than psychological reason, you know, and kuya ngomuntu ukuthi yini yena isizathu sakhe sokufuna ukwenza lokho. And look, kubantu abaningi abayenzayo into ye threesome kuyinto yoganga, it's fun and I fantasy into ifisayo ngoba kuyibone na TV beyenza and ufisa ukuexperience njalo njalo but umuntu nomuntu omunye noyenzayo it might not be the same a reason.
Yeah.
Omunye is fantasy, omunye it's power. you know uthola ukuthi nginemali ngipowerful kuze kubonakala ukuthi nginemali, then I must just have more sex and more girls and uyabona komunye it's power yokuthi ngiyasatshwa vela akekho uzongala ngathatha nyume iphintomazana akekho uzothini
sakhuluma ngendoda now,
you know ngisakhuluma ngendoda,
right.
but also even with the woman it can be financial power, you know ukuthi financial power ngoba ngiyakwazi as umuntu wesifazane nami ngizo actor ngendlela amadoda ajwayele uku-actor ngayo, uyibona into enjalo,
okay, self fulfillment
Mthiyane. But omunye uzoyenza ngoba ethi ugcolisa ipartner yakhe, ipartner efunayo i-threesome masuthi ngoba ngifuna ukumjabulisa isithandwa sami ngiyamthanda so nami ngizokwenza, but omunye enze futhi ngoba epay back ukuthi uyenzile naye nami ngizoyenza, uyayibona leyo nto, but for whatever the reason wonke umuntu unesizathu sakhe es different. Omunye athi lalela ngisamncane and mhlambe sengizoshada ngakashadi ngifuna ukwenza zonke lezi izinto lezi before I settle down,
yes, and commit,
you know, before I commit. Iba ne problem ke leyo Mthiyane, because ngizokutshela from me as uma ngenza i-therapy kuma couples, you know, the number one reason yokuthi ama couples kube nenkinga emshadweni ikona lokuthi khona ojolile noma infidelity of some kind. So abantu don't generally take it lightly ukuthi umuntu wamulale nomunye umuntu, even worse ke ngikhona ngimbuka ngoba ijealousy ayiphakelwa, uzothi uma egrown lapha yana kulotha bakhala kangaka uma sufenda lo ukwayibona leyo nto and then leyo nto inyuke. But also sometimes izinto zenza even before ushada, there's many a times lo thola ukuthi umuntu wenza into before bashade lo ngoba usabangile ukuthi uzo accept ukuthi ngizovuma ukuthi sibabili or whatever, kodwa mase kushadiwe usiyamshintshela manje sebethi Dr. Mthembu ngikwazi ukukhohlwa ukuthi before shada lo wengenza kanje wangenza kanje wangenza kanje wangenza kanje,
can use it against
so use against yena, which is then wrong again. So again yonke into uma ube nesizathu sokuthi wena ikufanele yini lento and uyenzelani.
Sikhuluma nge-threesome namhlanje, and is it something wake uyicabanga ukuthi ufisa ukuyenza? Why? From what udokotela is telling us, ngiyafisa ukuthi attest to it. Is it a problem now kwi relationship yakho or emshadweni wakho? Kumbe mhlambe nizena sana break up ngenxa yayo, or you did it once but kwaba uqala kwi relationship engasapheli engasazike lo wesibili, so kuniqale kwi threesome now ukuthi seniyantshontsha eceleni. Your experience, talk to us. Ungayana ku Facebook page Indaba with Alex, and olohlelo ke ungabona i-video yalo on i-app etikakasi FM. Now Dr. ngifisa ke nawe sikhulume with someone oyihalelayo lento.
Okay.
But uyasaba ukuthi I suggest ku partner wakhe after esekuzwe ukhuluma kanje. How does one approach the topic kumuntu wakhe?
Well, Mthiyane hlale sisho khuluma before ukhumule.
Yes.
Okay? So communication is always key. Ukuthi kumele ukhulume nayo partner wakho ukhuluma kanjani futhi naye and uyidlala kanjani le ndaba. Ingafiki kuyena kabi as if awenele uyena, ngoba ngempela most of the time it's just about ukukhala ifantasy ukuthi khona enye into engifuna ukuyenza. Abanye baze bathi you know uyenza ngoba evusa umuzi, ukuyabona ukuthi hayi ngikangeceleni ngoba ngizama ukuvusa umuzi uqinisa ngapha ngoba mhlambe kade sithandana isikhathi eside so kuyabhora njalo njalo. So knowing isizathu foot number 1 kuzoba easy ukuthi upartner wakho ukwazi ukuthi umtshele naye umbring on board ekwenzeni lento. But number 2, it's going to be very important Mthiyane ukuthi ubani omchoosayo ukuthi uzoba number 3. Who you going to choose? Ngoba number 1 if uzovela uqhamuke negama uzothi abuvela umfuna lo muntu ukuyabona. But also it's important ukuthi ungachoose or ningachoose umuntu omngani one valuable relationship okuthi kungase yonakale ngoba isikhathi esiningi vele into ema threesome last akuyona into ezolast isikhathi kuzoba ne dent ku relationship yenu idamage i relationship yenu. But also you know if kuukuthi uborekile whether isemshadweni wakho or ku relationship yakho kunesinye isizathu if kuukuthi usufaka number 3 it's going to be worse. Yabona kunezinto okuukuthi awukwazi ukuyisolve ngokuthi ulethe omunye umuntu on board ku relationship yakho kumele ubhekane nayo. But also one of the other things before uzongena kuyona lento consideration yokuba safe you know kunezifo manje safety is going to be very important khulumani futhi even about that but even more ibani nama rules enu nina nsayi couple qala if ni couple nibabili ukuthi if isilethe omunye umuntu kule relationship ithini uzomtshela ukuthi bona ke babazi awu kissike nje iphunana yakhe mhlawumbe you know or ungamnikezi lenye indoda iblow job samadoda soyi2 kuphela kuzogcina la nyoma ningapenetrateani or ningakhisani it must only be about sex but ibani nama rules so that ngesikhathi seningena lapho ingagcini futhi leyo nto kuba into esezunhlukanisa worse as a couple but more if kuukuthi khona yedwa wenu obengekho comfortable ngokuyenza lento kungcono nivele ningayenzi.
Okay, ukhuluma about ama issues and a safety doc. So if there is protection, right? Picture this one guy with two ladies. That's the example, right? So the guy uses one condom, penetrates one, same condom to the next person.
Well, angithi ke ilaphi education will then come in ukuthi akasakwazi of course ukuthi asebenzise the same condom akade isebenzisa kulo ayisebenze komunye and generally if kukuthi it's one guy and two ladies uzothola ukuthi obviously the guy uyamsakha lo nomunye kodwa ungenile somewhere komunye and whenever kunokushintsha then i-condom kumele ishintshwe nayo phela ngoba usengena komunye njalo njalo. But it's with the ladies then giving him a blowjob that is going to be a different case. But then again, khulumani qala. Even in fact, even if senikhuluma Mthiyane, khuluma even no number 3. So that naye by the time ezoba involved kulento uyazi ungakwenza ukuthi asikwenza ukuthi uma kukanje kuzoba kanjeni if ngingafuni ngizokwenza kanjena nawe if ungafuni wenza kanjani so that kube into isivumelwane esaziwayo futhi ukuthi kuphela siyochitha.
Okay, two guys bebhekene nawe as a lady uwedwa, ever thought about it or something oke wayenza? How was it? And is it something ongayenza ongayisuggest something to warn us about? Sikhuluma ngemanager tour Threesome namhlanje 0861596596 and sine number isibili as well 03153733000 isikhuluma no doc. Ungathumela ke ne tweet at Alex Mthiyane and on Facebook Indaba with Alex. Okay. Now maningi amathuba ukuthi you try something for fun. But later on ugcina usuyifuna uaddicted kuyona and leyo nto ingenzeka. How then do you help to resist or to fight that temptation yokuyifuna njalo isiyenzekile and the idea was you once off experience for the fun of it but now you are into it?
Lokho ngenzeka Mthiyane if kukuthi ekuqaleni number 1 ama priorities akho abengekho in the right place. If kukuthi vele ubuya lapha because uyadoba vele khonto oyifunayo engekho mhlambe kule relationship or onganayo la uthole suyayithola lapha then of course uzoba hooked laphayana phambili ngoba it wasn't just about sex when but also if kukuthi even if it is just about sex usu addicted so ufuna kakhulu mhlawumbe futhi ufuna lo muntu oyedwa then sokuyinkinga ke leyo na ku relationship yakho le khona ngoba ukushuthi usuyamthanda manje lo muntu it's not just about sex anymore akusukona ukuzigculisa noma nje ukuthi uzoqinisa lo muntu but uyamthanda
the connection now
sokuyinkinga ke manje le relationship yakho but also nakuwena if sokuyinto ekubusayo lokho ukuthi awusakwazi ukuthi ube right nomuntu wakho kuphela engekho lo nomunye and uyadinga ukuthi kube nabantu abaningi lokho on its own is a power struggle ekuwena ngaphakathi meaning suna addiction sokunento wena esikuphosesayo esine control over wena engasakwazi wena ukuthi uyicontrol sokuyinkinga ke lokho so udinga therapy ke mase kunjalo.
Okay, 0861596596 and nama voice notes siyawathatha as well. Ungakhohlwa leyo number 0789342827 sinodokotela today and ngiyithanda lengubo eqokile dokotela. It's the color iskoshi what to men are color blind. Ngibona blue.
Yes.
No brown.
No orange. Angathi blanket wesintu yabo?
Yes. Yeah, picture that.
Gqoka ingobe efana nesikhuphe.
Yeah, unfortunately ngendlela engihleli ngayo ke angikwazi ukubona whether I jumpsuit noma ingobo.
Yazi ukuthi angigqoki vele blue Mthiyane so.
How? I haven't noticed, I haven't noticed.
Ukuthi angigqoki blue?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It shows ukuthi amehla amahlale ebheke the upper
Phezulu.
side angazi ngikubheke kwesingezansi
Awukaze ukubheke ngenzansi.
no ways I haven't ngabe phela ngiyaknotice
Uyaphuthela.
yeah yabona nje ngikunotice for the first time now that you saying it dokotela ukuthi ibluka olfaka so did you say ngiyaphuthela okay dokotela it's 1922
Ezocansi on Indaba njalo ngo7 kuya ku8 p.m.
Do you remember this show is not suitable for ingane is uhlelo labantu abadala right do you remember that
Oh,
do.
I remember.
yes dokotela all right are you ready ukuthi sikhulume nabantu bethu
Always.
ready sure Pretoria Mlif
Hello, sir.
how are you
I'm okay, sir. How are you?
good your take
Hello,
on the
doctor.
threesome
Hi Mlife ukai.
Item Melikai.
Utsugile ntate.
I just want to know ukuthi mina ngangikhubaza kakhulu iThreesome. Sengizwa unkosikazi samemeza engendlela ukuthi akamemeze kanjalo kum siyasikweda lapha mina ngingakwazi kumsikweda ngizothini.
Yeah.
isimilo njengaleso ke so
Well, uyasho but ukuthi yena ngamlimaza iThreesome. So into enangakaze ayivume ukuthi if unkosikazi wakhe. But manje Mlife, wena ungavuma yini ukuthi nibe u3, 2 girls, wena ube wena wedwa umuntu wesilisa?
Ngiyajabula lokho. It's men's dream.
But then is it not fair ngoba uyabona Mlife so what you are saying wena ukuthi wena into ngendlela oyifila ngayo isuperior kunendlela umkakho afila ngayo ngoba kusho ukuthi wena ungafa ngabhlungu kakhulu kuwena kodwa ku partner wakho ngeke ube bhlungu as much as kuwena awubona ukuthi leyo nto unfair.
Cha angisho njalo okusho ukuthi that's why after indoda find out ukuthi umkakhe ubejola nobani bani ayipheli that thing kundoda. I don't know what is the reason. I don't know ukuthi siwayarele ngendlela different kuba unkosikazi khona kanjani. But unkosikazi uyakwazi ukuthi okay ngokuxolela kodwa amanye akukhumbuza ukuthi hey ubani bani yeah bosho njalo ubani bani. Yabona so
Yeah.
I don't know it's a tricky one this one.
Look, but also amadoda analento ukuba njengebhubesi a territorial indawo yami le uyabona so ufenye indoda idlalele endaweni yakho as indoda uthatha personal kuba sengathi ingoba wena uyahluleka uyabona but abantu besifazane generally abantu besifazane they are more caring and nurturing and more forgiving you know kunabantu besilisa but they are not forgetting.
okay
Yes.
One day ngicela ngenze topic nge-prostate massaging and its benefit for sexual also for men in terms of detecting prostate cancer.
Okay.
Sure.
Thank you.
Mlif
Hello, sir.
I also noted ukuthi ngesikhathi nikhuluma isisuthu la nodokotela umbuzile ukuthi ukai and then wathi utsugelwe
Uthile wathethiyana wathiba Mzulu ole nemzulu anali one track mind wabona Mlife kunali one track kanjeni sonke abanali 3 track mind.
Yeah.
sure Mlif
Ngiyabonga.
moya right noting the topics oh yes we do take ama topics apha from abalaleli so that one will be next sinosbo no shoqwabe eKadabeka sure
Yebo sanibona ke
ngihamba njani
kushapo majani
sure
salute bese nginganenhlanhla bese nami uthi ngi-experience iThreesome
one enhlanhla
yes
sure talk to us
yeah bese ushuthi hlahla angiyiplananga mina yaplana nje shuthi ama-partners enganginawo ayi-2 and ayiplana separately yabo xoxa nomunye wangibuza ukuthi ngeke ngayenza yini yabo ngangamnaka and then ophela isikhathi wabuza omunye futhi ukuthi ngeke ngayenza yini yabo and then ngase ngaqala ngibanaka inotice and then ngathi ngibaziba futhi loqala waphinde wabuyela kumina wangibuza ngayo futhi yabo and then wathi uyayihalela yabo because uyigirl then ngathi mina kulula ngoba uyintombazane yena into esingayi-organize
Manje nayi organizer nalenye icherry yakho futhi enye so naba wena nentombi zakhe ezo2
organize nabo bobabili
imake what if wena intombi zakho zombili bezihalelana zombili
ziyalelana zona hayi into echazayo vele leyo ngeke kube khona inkinga.
Uyakuthanda lokho?
Yeah kuyangi-attracta kwamina.
Okay.
So is it something osangaphinde uyenze futhi?
Angazi ngoma ngaphinde ngibe nayo inhlanhla because thina sama guys asinaso isibindi njengabantu besifazane bona bayakwazi ukuthi be-explore izinto kakhulu anti thina siyabasaba anti bona bakhululekile bona.
Usazwana nabo babili lamantombazane?
Phela kabi because kwenzeka okokuqala ngale weekend sasipane ngami then baplan ukuthi bazobuya ngeweekend eyilandela but then kwase ngabe kusahamba kahle.
Bakulahla
Bobabili.
Kangibahlanga ukuthi sokale endaweni yobumnandi yabo lo munye wasebona abangani wajabulela abangani abasha wangabe safuna ukuthi siqhubeke nayo ngaso ngagcina ngihambe nalo munye ngamgcina lapho ke lo munye.
Okay.
But ke doc, before we let you go, ngiyafisa ukuthi usibeke ngamehlo engqondo ekutheni now niqala ideed kwenzekani during foreplay, who's doing who, what, when, is it communicated noma ama feelings are leader?
Well ama feelings are leader yaso communicateile ngayo but as siyenzeka yona shothi vele nabo osisi into vele ababeyilangazelela kakhulu ababevele beyifisa yabo.
Ngifuna
ngibabuke bezenzelene into zabo bona ubabili.
Okay. No way answer dokotela lento bukade. Okay, so kuba ne
so esikhathini esiningi Mthweni kuba khona lokho uthola ukuthi especially kubantu besifazane basuke bekhona vele behalelana bobabili manje sebeyakudinga nawe ngoba futhi badinga ipipi lakho ngoba abanawona ipipi so ibona into abazenzayo ngeke kufane but ipipi lakho will help them ukuthi lifike to the next level.
They played him. In a way.
You said that.
Yeah. All right, sure. Siyabonga. We have Anonymous Clement. Sure. Anonymous?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Ninjani?
Siyaphila Anonymous.
Ayaphileka lapho Alex Mthiyane. Hayi sina ke kuyangibusisa ukuthola ukuthi Clement kushuthi into yayo lento yama-threesome.
Mbuye lokho nami.
Hayi iyathusa. Lishuthi lento sejwayela ngathi ngisho amantombazana angala elokushini into ayithandayo le.
Okay.
Shuthi into ayithandayo because nami into esanda ngehlalela nje insukini yabo.
Usho because the previous caller nayo is from Clement. Yeah.
Yona lento leyo kuyishayela ama drinks nje nama girls yabo. Ngishaya ama drinks nama girls ukuthi ke ngingedwa ke yabo. Ngivakashela ama girls awu2. Nginama drinks futhi endlini okay enjoy kuhlale kamnandi chill hayi sekusanjalo vele lo munye ugel njwayele vele ukuthi senze izinto naye yabo futhi lo munye umngane wakhe ke lo uyakwazi ukuthi amcontrol uzwa ngaye mayethi yabo naye nje futhi uyavuma ngoba aza kubanga into enzima mina nje ngacelwa ilo vele ngijwayele ukuthi ngenze nayo izinto yabo wase sengicela la kumngane wakhe ngabona nomngane wakhe ngikhululekela ukuthi vele naye futhi uyayishaya
yeah
that's I am dead iyodwa into ebasedayo ngale threesome wathi okay ngiyayishala futhi mangishaya lethu ngiyashintshanisa right kodwa manje khona vele athole kakhulu ngamanje labantu abaenjoy ngokufana phela hayi abaenjoy ngokufana labantu yabo khona lo vele anikele kakhulu manje lo munye ugcine ngathi segcine esengathi manje labakhulutha yabo
possible abantu abafana
kube ngathi yabo manje kube ngathi awukwazi ukushaka kahle kuyena lo munye kanti hayi wena into yakho uyazi ukuthi uyayiqondisa yabo ivele ibe lapho ke
in unfairness
and ngathola nje yabo iThreesome yangathi ungavele emhlangeni elanda ama chucha
out of bounds
all right so nansi eyisho dokotela ukuthi nayo side bakhona okungeke be right
but also Mthiyane if you realize again lamantombazana oyi2 abekade azana ukuyabona now baba bangani now ngifuna ukutshela ngabantu besifazane babangani they talk about many things if kukuthi wena uyiboyfriend uzomthumelela ipipi lakho intombazane uzoyithumelela umngane wakhe ambukise ukuthi awubone nje ipipi la lomuntu akanqeni lo muntu uthangaza ngamhalela uyabona ukuyabona ukuthi hawo ngase nami nje one day ukuyabona iqale lapho leyo nto as a conversation but angeke akwenze lokho kumuntu azimisele ngayo Okay, ngeke azakwenze lokho ngomuntu azimisele ngaye afuna ukwakha naye.
Uzoba nesikhwele
uzoba
ngaye.
nesikhwele ngaye, but if naye edlala uzothi hayi sure mnganami sijoyine nawe ozodla nami lengidla khona umtaste, you know.
Okay.
But now I problem kumuntu wesilisa with two girls naku lengena khona. Washeshe wachama. Okay, la ngavuka ipipi. Okay, ukuthreesome. Basabhiza amantombazane lana nawe ubhizi wenze njani ube overexcited usheshe uchama. Or uchame nje bengakaqedi bona.
Yeah.
You
Then
know, then
isithunzi sakho sesihambe kanjalo. Yeah. All right. We've had some stories from guys saying ukuthi they enjoyed abantu besifazana abawu-2. Sisafisa ukuzwa like two guys and one lady.
yes.
Yeah, threesome. We would like to hear those stories as well. The show ungayithola live live kwi app Kakasi FM video yayo, so you can see us in action. Si kundumiso eChatsworth 0861596596 Saxindaba eKakasini no Doc. Namhlanje sikhuluma indaba ye-threesome. Sikuwena Ndumiso.
Yebo baba njani?
Sure, kunjani?
Hayi ngiyaphila bafethu ninjani hotel?
Siyaphila Ndumiso right now.
Hayi ngiright kakhulu. Mina ngathi hayi iThreesome hayi ngeke angiboni ukuthi ngalunga.
Okay, yindaba.
Hayi mina inkinga ukuthi ngithandana naye nginesikhwele kakhulu naye. Manje uyabona ngathi ngikhweleza ethothi sihamba endleleni mhlawumbe uhlangana nabantu ayifunda nabo. Mina ngimazi and then bese yambengele ethawu. Sobona momchuni bese
Uthi
ukuthi trifi nje kumina manje endlini bese ngiyabuza ubani manje loyo.
manje sumbona kunenye indoda phezulu kwakhe ekhala kumnandi ungafa.
Angithi uyibona inkinga ngavele kuphele kwayilona uthando.
Yeah.
Hayi ngavele kube inkinga kakhulu. Mina bona ukuthi ngayimela. And futhi ngibona ngathi iThreesome abantu abangekho serious in relationship yabo umdlalo. Njengoba besho nje abafethu ukuthi hayi ukuhlangana ematshwaleni utholele amantombazane. Nakhona futhi ngathi abafethu bayakhohlwa ukukhondomaya.
Yeah.
Ngoba phela utshwala uvela ubona ukuthi into ovela uyitshele yona mawusudake hayi vele sonke egcineni sofa.
Yes.
Okay.
But you know njengoba undumise ekhuluma also about that utshwala kade ngikhona enye patient yami today. You know utshwala especially kubantu besifazane kuyesinyeni. You know, so njengoba ubezula babawu2 isikhathi esiningi bebathole ematshwaleni kumnandini utshwala mostly kumuntu wesifazane kuyesinyeni. Ubona umuntu masephuza umuntu wesifazane very touchy seseduze kwakho ufila ladida because utshwala umnikeza umuntu wesifazane leyo feeling yokuthi angathi something ingenzeka kuyena, so it's easier ukuthi ematshwaleni uthole umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi nenze naye lezo zinto lokho ngoba kuzwakala kalula kuyena ngoba already usekada.
Yeah, so nokuza abantu besho bethi umuntu wesifazane utshwala wehlela ngezansi, so now udokotela confirming it. All right. It's 1937 indaba eKakasini. Malolu hlelo lufikiselo phakathi ungakwazi ukubamba i-podcast yakhona ku Kakasi app, and uma ukuyona i-app right now you can watch the show. This is Sex Indaba, and nangu nodokotela ukhona here, and yeah, emva kwesikhathi eside engekho eduzane, so she's here. Isikhathi esinjani? Are you complaining?
No.
We are jabulela izinto ezinde.
Yes.
Okay, zingaba zinde but ingabe inkulu, but the feeling depends on yeah.
Kunenkinga dokotela.
Enkulu 1988.
Ezocansi on Indaba njalo ngo7 kuya ku8 p.m.
On Twitter Alex Mthiyane na ku Instagram as well. Isike ngithi go through the comments and questions akhona la dokotela. Umpho saying with my co-worker suggested that I must threesome with him and his partner. I said no, because I value the relationship. They should go to a brothel. These things are okay when you do it with strangers. Maybe a sex worker, perhaps, for a couple. Z is saying what it went on for a while. Knowing very well I didn't have a problem though. When my younger sister told my other sibling she wanted a share as well, so I couldn't continue with it. And then Sbu, ngingayenza threesome, but nabantu engingabazi kuphela, never nabantu engibaziyo. And then I once tried it. I invited my younger sister, kodwa ke I ended up being jealous ngoba base bephana kakhulu bebodwa. The reason ngayivuma ngimthanda kakhulu sisi wami omncane, I prefer ukuthi ahlupheke la engihlupheka khona, right? And then impinje kaJehova, kodwa ke ucansi into yabantu ababili, le threesome hayi sekukhohlakala nje. All right. Okay. 0861596596 nama voice notes as well ku 0789342827. Dr. We are Africans. And ngifuna ukubuza la kwisimo ke sesithembu where I have 2 wives. And kuyenzeka uthola like wives become sisters, right? Uthola they're very close.
Yes.
Akusona sonke isithembu la hlala exatshana khona. Is it something that can work? Uthola ukuthi it's makhosikazi way too with ubaba la.
Again, if ikhulunyiwe leyo nto. You know, esithenjini as much as abantu bengazwana whether bazwana ngempela noma ingoba indoda ibahlanganisile ukuthi you know bazwana ngendlela enze ngayo but egcineni Mthiyane uba nobani indoda yakhe naye le unalento ukuthi umuntu wami. Now in fact isithembu singathi singcono or it's cleaner than just threesome ngoba esithenjini as much as ukuthi ulala nalo but at the same time inenhlonipho involved in that ngoba umthathile wathatha responsibility ngaye but also inama emotions ukuthi uyamthanda. It's not just about ukuthi uyamfenda lo uyamthanda laba uyabathanda laba uyabafenda. Okay, but within isithembu if nikwi relationship and ngempela nizwana ngaleyo ndlela then if ukuthi niyakwazi ukuthi nonke engqondweni nivulekile ngaleyo ndlela ningakwenza lokho uma kuukuthi nobathathu niyavumelana angabi khona kodwa ozokwenza ngoba ethi ngenzela umnyeni wethu or ngenzela ubani kwenzeni ngempela nobathathu ngoba kuukuthi into enifisayo. But then also mhlamba ngeke abe worried indoda ukuthi uzothenga ekho baqhubeka umama bebodwa.
Yes, but then ke ngoba yabona ke asibuka ngeside elodwa if singamadoda yabo ungayibuka
ngoba uzothenga ekho nje one day bathi mama akulungile ungabuyi bona sebeyenzana bobabili then sifila kanjani ke. That's another side.
Sure. Sikuma voice notes now. Kakasi.
Hello Doc, Mthiyane uxolo lo PNB. Angamsanshame naleyo nto mina. Ngibona ngathi nje ukuzidlulaza especially kumuntu wesifazane ocabangile senginomuntu wesilisa omunye nomunye futhi hayi bo angeke nje amahloni lawo ngiyabonga.
Ngibingele Mthiyane, igama lami ngumndeni ngubane ngisehopwele eMarketsburg. Cha Mthiyane ngifisa ukuthola la kudokotela ukuthi yona lento akhuluma ngayo inabuphi ubungozi noma buthini ubuhle bayo kanye nobubi bayo kubantu abayenzayo egcineni. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Ngibulele Alex nodokotela nomfundo lapho. Dokotela ayi nami ngiyahalela nje lokho ngithola nje ogela boku2 ngibatamati ngiyafisa nje ukuthi ngisho abayiqhamukela bethi hayi woza yaxolana sizokwenza sobathathu hayi ngashona ngivumbuke guys. Ngibonga ngixola nahle ngathola uluntu embulana Serena House.
Ngicela ubingelela boMthiyane bese ngiyabingelela nakudokotela. Ngikuthembelane mina ngila emphakathini. Into ye-threesome ngiyithanda futhi ngiyafisa ukuyenza ngelinye ilanga. Kodwa mina mangathiwa ngiyayenza ngeke ngize ngithanda ukuthi umuntu wami lo engihlekisana naye ebe khona. Sengaba nje abanye abo besifazane abawu2 kube mina owemlisa wesithathu. Kodwa hayi ukuthi kube khona lo engiqondene naye. No.
Okay. Right now I got my comments. So ngiyacela uphendulekile umlaleli wethu wesibili because udokotela did go through ububi bakhona nobuhle bakhona. So you see abantu bahlukene phakathi abanye bathi yes abanye bathi no.
Yes.
Yeah, all right. Your views.
Ngocansi on Indaba njalo ngo7 kuya ku8 PM.
Sikhumbuza ukuthi le show ayilungele ingane. Kunama comments ke akhona. Umuntu usazozwa likhulu la kule show. Angathi nje umuntu wami ngabe ngimtshela ukuthi ngifuna lento okukhulunywa ngayo la. Okay, gogo wathi ukuhamba ukubona, right? And then bese kuzoba umntambo sanitizer. Yabona le inkinga kakhulu sayizama kwintombi kamngani wami, washaya yena ngoba umjwayele, washesha wasuka, ngafika ngamrevisa samshini wokuthunga wayibuyela yena ngakusasa endlini yami nobungozi lento. Yabo? And then ephilani I've done it with twins years back. Ngabahola eclubbing and they said sharing a dick is not a problem bona they shared a womb. What an experience. And then Sandile Mkhize into zabelungilezo awubuke nje sengitaphuna umamlotsha namakhumalo kanye right. And then kuleko mbuso leyo into yabelungu ko Pornhub. Then Thulani angaze ngifike kuleso sigaba and angibona ukuthi ngake ngizame kufana ne women on top. No, ngiyabonga. iphulana ipipi ngilithanda kabi ipipi lami ngakhuza omunye eyisikhanda kwipipi lami ngathi full stop hayi angibathembi lapha bangakuluma okay and umlaleli wethu from emangozi and then Sandile Lungani saying ukuthi engabe ikabani la okuzobe kwenziwa khona le number 3 status sempilo siyaziwa because I don't think icondom iyasebenza lapho. And then elungelo saying ukuthi ngisesipani kumanje and wonke amantombazane ngisebenza nawo afaka ama earphones sengincenge ngancenga akekho ufuna ukufaka ku loudspeaker kodwa bona bahlinile kanti yini le nikhuluma nge 3 something. Okay, so why usibengafuna izwe le ndaba le? Yeah.
Akazwele naye.
Yes. All right, and then Khara uthi nina nibiza ngesilungu manithi a threesome uthi stimela. Yasazi stimela. Yeah.
Well, istimela is actually one of ama positions engawenza ku threesome. Yeah.
Mhlamba salisa singena kwa just nje brief mhlamba be 3.
Well, mhlamba ngiqale ngale abantu besifazane. You know, istimela is actually one of them ezenziwa kubantu besifazane. Uthola ukuthi lo wesifazane ungaphambili lapho ke bonke bangenana ngemuva. Lo wesifazane ungaphambili, lo indoda esibili imngena from the back. Okay? Then lo wesilisa wesibili ungena lo wesilisa from the back. Okay, istimela ke leso. Okay, o uthola ukuthi owesifazane lo owesilisa omunye umngene ngaphambili omunye amngene ngemuva at the same time. Okay, but isikhathi esiningi uthola ukuthi kusuke kukhona omngeni lomunye somewhere omunye uyamkhisa omunye somewhere nomunye uyamkhisa omunye somewhere ukumkhisa sengisho uyamkhotha even if whether kuabantu besifazane ababili nowesilisa so ungathola ukuthi lo munye umuntu wesilisa ipipi lakhe lingene ku vagina yalo oyedwa and then yena he's giving a blow job kulo wesifazane omunye and mhlambe bona baqabulana or even bonke bo 3 leyo kudinga space ukuthi nomunye usakho omunye phezulu komunye umunye usakho omunye.
So don't think of it as double penetration.
Yeah, it's not necessarily and futhi ngaba yinto ukuthi again ukhulumisana ukuthi yini nani esingayenza so that siculisiseke sonke.
Right, Mlaw saying ukuthi to be honest it's an interesting topic which many people are scared to talk about. I personally want to try it. It's in my bucket list before I die. Anonymous Voka. Siphilile. All right, before qhubeka nje ladies are also welcome to call and share their stories njoba athi sizwile kuma voice notes. Yeah, so avumelekile just saying it. Yeah, ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi ngazi ukuthi
akade abantu
besilisa abantu besilisa let's know. Sure, Anonymous.
Ngithe ngiphawule la siyale tota nyaphela.
Siyaphila baba niphilile nani?
Nice khona. Threesome grand ne for the out especially if you include amature I2 but khona inkinga uma ukuthi khona umuntu ocommitted yena lapho mina njengomuntu wesilisa should I be in a committed relationship angeke ngizengifile ukuinclude umuntu enginekusasa naye leyo nto ngibona umzela nokumhlukumeza endlini ngokuthi ngikwazi ukunika omunye umuntu wesifazane i-pleasure ebena expecta kumina phela and kube uyena yedwa kahle because I think isifazane unjalo most yabo if not both uyathanda ukuthi umuntu wakhe wesilisa abe ongowakhe yedwa njengoba sisithanda kube njalo. I have experienced it before and it's a great thing but I think it should be abantu engabazi bodwa. Angazi abantu kanjani nabantu ababathandayo mina wami umuntu engimthandayo ngizokujabula lokho.
Okay.
Yeah. Look, Mthiyane, again, into ye threesome it's more about ukuganga. You know, and njengoba esho nje ubhuti akuyona into nanombani uzothi umuntu engimthandayo ngeke ngivume ukuthi enze omunye okusho ukuthi mina ngizokwenza eceleni engazi naye and mhlambe naye usho njalo the very same thing. But again Mthiyane, you know, baningi abalaleli sebeyishilo lento nami ngiyayisho personally as Dr. Mthembu. Kunezinto ezingazona izinto esizijwayele thina ezabantu abamnyama futhi ezingalona nesiko lethu nangendlela esikhuliswe ngayo. Now ezinye izinto esikhuluma ngazo kule show Mthiyane akukona ngoba sithamba uzenze but ingoba sithi iba aware siya educate ukuthi khona into enje so that wena uzokwazi ukuthi uthathe stand ngayo wazi ubuhle bayo nobubi bayo so that wena uzidecidele wena ukuthi lento uyavumelana nayo iyavumelana nesimo sakho, but singagijimi futhi senze izinto ezenziwa ezinye izizwe njengabelungu. Ukwabona abelungu abanqeni ukuthi athe ephumile baye kudina, abantu baye kudina kanti bayolalana, bayazi ukuthi le couple le bazofika bashintshane phambili, omunye athatha umkakhe njalo njalo, but akulona isiko lethu thina izabantu, ngoba thina kakhulukazi futhi kunemoya ne-spirit nabantu abadala esuke sihamba nabo, ongekwazi ukuthi uhamba ufeba nje, you know, ngoba uyazi ukuthi kunabantu abangomele. So lezi zinto asikhulume ngazo so that sibe aware of it, unga be caught off guard nangayo leyo nto.
Ukuthi yini le yenziwayo. I had your definition of istimela dokotela, but the version familiar ngayo is like guys coming to umuntu wesifazane, more like gang rape in some cases, usuke engazi yena ukuthi sekuyi different person, taking turns. Yeah,
the guys beshintshana.
Yes.
Well, it also depends. Really, there are guys who really enjoy anal sex, you know.
So it could be guys being done now.
Yes.
Okay. Interesting. Mbumbulu, Anonymous.
Abaningani dokotela no Alex.
Bufuna ukuthini?
Bengibuza ukuthi
no khona ngambufuna ukulisho wasusheshe ikhoza wena.
Nebabu ele.
Okay.
Uzobhibhi abawu2 wena.
Yeah. Impela bengithi nami ngizwe kanjalo. Sure.
Ngisami sengeke ngayenza iThreesome before.
Okay.
Right.
So initiated by my boyfriend. Abalonto ukuthi ngiyawuthi ajathi mina when the guy sends you a picture of into yakhe and you share with your friends, or you talk about how old he is in bed and stuff like that. So I would do that with my best friend.
Okay.
And this guy was like, but I didn't think much of it first cut. And then one day she tells me, so when I told him about it, years after, this guy comes to me and says, invite her at Stuart's donkey. So Zambiza, I explained everything, kanjani, safety precautions, and she was like, I know guys, I think was Saba or something, and then I got my other friend who agreed with the so Sagwenza, the guy from ukudla to beverages, protection. I also took the some goods in such that's extra protected, and it was even a dildo, a vibrator. And I really enjoyed it. But it's something I would only do. So it's cut list. The man, I don't see much doing it. It also goes back to he would never allow his girlfriend to enter the But I think it's about trust. How well do you know partner wakho? To trust the woman loyal, involved by really. So they won't go behind your back and request.
Yeah.
Are you still together, no put?
No, we're not together anymore.
Oh, okay.
We moved places. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's something I think meaning I because I've always wanted to try something out of the ordinary from what I'm usually doing, and so as I'm not gonna, but I won't do it again.
If your husband wakho manje or umuntu onayo manje angasethi anike nizame futhi with another friend of yours, ungafila kanjani?
I wouldn't do it again.
Okay.
Because something I've really just once off experiences pay, and I did pay. But if the other guy were to come back and ask for the same guy, I didn't because I trust him more than the guy I have.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, but ngiyabonga sis nge-honesty yakho ukuthi ushare nje story sakho. We appreciate it and thank you for listening.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also there's a big part of this yokuthi you know sometimes khona umuntu othimu naye into uyenzele yena ngoba uzitshela ukuthi vele vele lo muntu uzoyenza lento akayenzeke ngoba kuvume mina.
Yeah.
Manje uyayibona le nto kunento othimu uyenza kodwa ube wazi ukuthi kowami umuntu engimaziyo ukuthi wami would never ngivuma ukumshare nomuntu kodwa vele vele lo ngiyamazi akanele ngami so kungcono ngimdedela ukuthi involve omunye umuntu kodwa kube ngathi mina vele ngimvumelile kanti ube vele ezokwenza lokho
matrix emqondo.
Ulalela uAlex Mthiyane on Indaba Gagasi FM.
Hey doctor, hi Alex, I would never. How am I? I ngeke bandla. What about my dignity? Hayi cha bandla, hayi. Ngingaba nawo ama-fantasies kodwa leyo andis.
Okay.
Sanibona dokotela noMthiyane. Hayi ngeke ngakhona wemali lo ngayinji. Ngeke ngathi nesikhwele singaka. We. Kunzima nje ukuzwa ukuthi umuntu wakho uyajola. Awu ngeke ngize ngikhona wema. Ngamane ngihlala ekhaya emva kwendlu. Ngeke. Anonymous.
Ngiyabingelela egagasini anene lokhulumayo ngisemlazi. Hayi mina ngihambiselana naso nkosami nihlesami cha awukhohlakala nje lokho nkosami ngize ngikwazi mina ukuvuma for wami uphatha.
Hey Doc, no Mthiyane. Anonymous. I have actually done a threesome before. It was with the guy I was with. We tried it with a girl. So it was 2 girls and him. Then switched around, tried it with the guy. So it was him and the guy and me. Into ngayibona ukuthi ayishem. You can't do it with someone omthanda ngempela because it hurts when you actually see that person at peace.
Alex nodokotela mina ngicela ukubuza ukuthi kulabe sebethi bake bayenze iThreesome. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi benza kanjani ngoba omunye nomunye usuke engasazi status somunye. Manje ke make mhlawumbe kwenzeka besebenzisa iCondom. Uwenza njani? Uyatshintsha meya ngapha komunye aphinda atshintshe meya ngapha komunye. Kwenzeka kanjani kwiThreesome ukuze nibe safety nonke?
Sawubona but Alex, ngicela kubo anonymous. Last month umkhwenyana wami uye eMedilution for ukuthi bese nenkinga endlini induku ibivuka kodwa mangabe sekumele siqala umdavazo ivesane nje ibhocobala so now waya ke wathola treatment manje hey nami ngizela kudokotela ngizofuna usizo ngoba hayi sengiyahlulwa ekhaya ubaba uyavutha be so ngithi nje usizo liyatholakala eMedilution cela wonke umuntu aye khona odinga usizo
Okay. Yazi mina ngendlela eqale ngayo bengithi uthi baye eMedilution iThreesome bayenzela khona. Siyabonga.
With who?
Well.
I would never.
Yes. Well, that's our conversation. Siyabonga kakhulu ngale topic sithole from balaleli and uDr Mthembu utholakala kuphi ke?
Dr. Mthembu Hillcrest eMedilution inumber yethu 031 765 8475. A cell phone 061 4622 945. Mungena nje Hillcrest si robot lesithathu ibuild elapho ngaka left. Ungaze uzofike lezito lezinkulu eziningi ama garage cha hlehla. Lapho nje ungene Hillcrest silapho. Silapha konke silisa isifazane impilo ama couples imshado siyayakha nako konke nje ongaphili kahle. So ubekezele ucinga mebe ngalibambi zibhizi incengo zakhona kanti sakhipha ukuthi lizansela ucingo ngoba save airtime yakho.
Number 1. Siyabonga kakhulu. Let's just remind you le show zokwazi ukuyithola kwi app Gagasi FM ivideo yayo and then ku podcast. Yes, podcast uzoyithola ku Gagasi app and again ku YouTube as well uzokwazi ukuthi uyithole. This has been iSex Indaba eGagasini. Thank you Doc for being with us. So namhlanje Freaky Thursday so kuyafiwa. Umdavazo.
Yeah. To some.
Yes, yeah, you want to say. All right, Indaba was produced by Mr. Funa Mabaso, ngeko Alex Mthiyane. So up
Line on Mondays at 7. Talk to Alex. Indaba. Talking my business is into. Nazo zonke indaba zabasha. Indaba.